are going to start a series on QA. So that series I'll be uploading once a week. Then it may take about 4 months. Okay. So in that series, in that course tutorial, I'll be including contents related to QA. So which are these. These are the main contents I'll be including in QA, and we'll also be seeing live demos and projects while learning about QA. So the first thing we'll do is introduction and overview of software QA and its importance. Then we'll be doing a role of QA in SDLC. SDLC is software development lifecycle. There are various phases of software development lifecycle, and we'll be learning about role of QA in that software development lifecycle. And we'll be learning about the type of testings. In this, we'll be learning about the STLC, that is software testing lifecycle, and we'll know about the various testing types like unit testing, regression testing, integration testing, retesting, performance testing. Okay, so there are many more type of testings. We'll be learning about all those testings, and we'll also learn about the core concept of manual testing versus automation testing, and then we'll learn different tool for automation testing. Then, like I said before, we'll be learning about STLC. So we'll learn about STLC, what will be phases in the STLC, and we'll also learn about the test planning, test cases, how to develop test plans, test cases, strategies, and how to execute those test cases. And we'll also learn about defect tracking and management. So we will track defects and bugs and how to manage them and how to report those bugs and defects to the respective developers or whoever they are in team. So we will be learning about regression testing and continuous test integration. Then we'll learn about the basic HTML tags while discovering the web elements concept, as well as we'll learn Java core concept for automation testing. We will be using Selenium, so we'll learn about the Selenium also. So in advanced topic, we'll be learning about automation testing, performance testing, and security testing. And at the end, we will discuss about the career path guidance, and the we will do case studies on the real world object. Okay, so we will be covering all these contents within 4 months. I'll be uploading videos once a week, so it may take about 4 months. Basically, it is for about 2 months, but I'll be uploading it once a week, so it will take about 4 months. So that's it for the video.